Hi everybody, it's time to find out how many miles we have on this Cobalt SS. You won't believe it. Here we go. Well, this isn't exactly the Cobalt SS, but I want to give you an idea of what a typical car from 2008, 2009 looks like. This is a 2009 Pontiac G5. It's in a slightly above average condition, I would say, for a car that's down here in the Rust Belt, or up here in the Rust Belt, I guess, depending on where you are watching this video. But just to give you an idea what the condition looks like, I guess it's someone that took decent care of the car. I mean, usually by now these have rust holes all in the rocker panels. This one was exceptionally clean, I guess. I mean, there is a little rust there, but it's not gaping rust holes. The floor plans are typical. They do get a little bit of surface rust, but not rust holes. This car has 125,000 miles on it. We might as well call it 126,000 miles, but this is a clean example of what a 2009 Cobalt / G5, pretty much the exact same car, should look like. But they typically have rust in the rocker panels. Now this car, the rust is just starting. It's right in front of the rear driver's side wheel. You'll see it here, and hey, there's nothing you can really do about it. It's inevitable. You can try to postpone it, repair it, patch it. It's coming. The evap lines and fuel lines, it's not a question of if they're going to break, is when they're going to break. As you can see, they have already been replaced / repaired on this car already. But for the most part, this car is in good condition for, this platform. But I want to give you something to compare it to. This has 125,000 miles on it, and just average condition, I would say. I mean, it could be cleaned up, maybe a little bit better than what it looks like now. But compared to that Cobalt, there's no comparison. Now take a look at the heater controls and radios. The controls are phenomenal. No scratches, nothing. It looks like everything is new. Shift knob, top of it looks new. That boot, that's how they look. Can't get around it. The window control switches, they look almost new. Very little wear. It's unbelievable. But this car has, you won't believe it, that's right, 176,000 miles. The car looks literally brand new. No scratches, no scrapes. A few rock chips. That's about it. Only thing that would be maybe a dead giveaway would be the shift boot, but this is typical of pretty much any mileage of these cars with the seat. The seat kind of tells a little bit, but not much. But yes, 100, here we go with the sirens. So yes, the car has 176,000 miles. The car is like almost in new condition. Unbelievable. Thanks for participating. Thanks for all the guessing. You guys have a nice day. We'll try something new next time.